Hey there everyone, in this video I'll show you how to get the 3 months of free Discord Nitro from Nvidia. So get it before it expires. Now we only have a few days left to get the promotion itself. So it's until August 24th, 2026, 11:59 p.m. Pacific time. So to get that, basically go ahead and click on your tray right over here. Right click on your Nvidia and the Nvidia app right over here. Just a quick eligibility requirements though. You must own a GTX 10 series GPU or higher. So in our case, we are currently eligible. Once your NVIDIA is open up, go ahead and click on the left panel right over here, redeem. And as you can see, the available ones are the Discord Nitro GeForce reward. Now to do that, just go ahead and log into your account via NVIDIA app right over here. And then once you go ahead and click on that, click on redeem right over here. It will pop up in a new window as you can see. Let's wait for it to load real quick. You have to go ahead and log in real quick. Let me go ahead and log in. Once you log in though, this will be the first page that will pop up. As you can see, just go ahead and click on redeem right over here. And redemption successful. Now to get the promos right over here on Discord, just go ahead and copy it real quick. Once you copy it, make sure that you are currently logged in with your Discord on the browser right over here, then paste it right over here and then press enter. So it'll be direct on your Discord. Now it might ask you for your payment method, but no worries. What I'd recommend is basically, as you can see, you got 3 months of Nitro. Discord perks are all yours. Enjoy. Now next, as you can see, it is asking for a payment method. Now we don't really want that right now, but we can go ahead and ask this payment method right over here and then get Nitro monthly and make sure add a new payment method if it doesn't work. Now what I'd recommend is basically canceling the payment method before the Nitro expires so you won't get charged. Go ahead and try it out. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you did, please leave a like on this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.